Hi everyone, my name is Meredith and today I'm going to be sharing a video about breathing. One of the breaths that has really helped me with my yoga practice, meditation, and just day-to-day life has been what's called the Ujjayi breath, the victorious breath. This breath has been so helpful because it really does calm the central nervous system. So I'm going to explain it to you, and here we go. So the way that I've heard it described, like the way that it sounds, is Darth Vader's breath and the sound of the ocean. So if you can fog up a mirror or if you can whistle, then you can do this breathing. And it might take a little bit of practice. So just be patient with yourself. Honestly, it took me a little bit of time to catch on to it, but some people get it pretty quickly. So what I'd like you to do with me is if you hold up your hand and you're gonna pretend that you're gonna fog up a mirror, right? So you have a mirror in front of you and go ahead and as if you're gonna fog up the mirror, creating steam with your mouth to create that fog. So just do that a couple times and notice what shows up for you in the back of your throat when you do that. So notice that little bit of closing up in the back of the throat. So that's one key point to just kind of pay attention to. So we've created that fogging up in the mirror. Let's do the same thing, but when you take the breath back in, do that kind of closing up, that little slight change that happens when you take the breath back. So we're gonna blow out to create the fog, and then take it in. So you following me? I know it's a little different, but I swear it's really worth it. So when you do the Ujjayi breath, you're actually doing the breath in and out of the nose. So the mouth is closed. So I'm gonna just keep that idea of fogging up the mirror on the the inhale, and just both back and forth. Inhale, exhale is that Ujjayi breath. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm closing my eyes. The inhale is gonna come in through my nose, the exhale is gonna go out of my nose, and I'm gonna notice that little bit of a difference in the throat area, which allows the breath to slow down. So let's do it together. Take a breath in. And go ahead and come back to your natural breathing. Another thing that can be really helpful is maybe resting one hand on your heart and one hand on your stomach, just noticing the sensation of your heart and your belly moving as you breathe. The reason why when we breathe in through the nose, there's hairs and they work as filters. And then we're slowing down, regulating the breath, which all in all helps calm our nervous system. So it can really help in those times of stress. You can use it throughout the practice of a yoga class, in your meditation. Honestly, a lot of times traffic is crazy. I use it when I sit in traffic and I'm getting frustrated, or if there's people on the road that, kind of drive you a little bit crazy. It's nice to use that breath because it does calm you down. And another key point, and this has nothing to do with the breath, but I love lavender oil, and I do carry all kinds of oils on me, but lavender oil I'll use, and it just helps with that calming down when I'm driving. So I hope this helps, and you can use it for any time of the day, and you can see the benefits.